Hi everyone, in this video we are going to talk about the load classification. We classify load into linear load and nonlinear load. Linear load and nonlinear load. It's easier if we start from DC circuit. In DC circuit, if we put a load into a circuit and the voltage and currents follow linear function, then we call it linear load. What this means is if the voltage and current relationship is a linear line, we call it linear load. The most common component is resistor. If we have a lamp in our circuit, the current and voltage will look like this. If the voltage changes, the current doesn't change linearly. The most common component can be lamp or diode. We know that diode voltage current waveform looks like this. So what's the criterion between linear load and nonlinear load? The criterion is Ohm's law. If the current is equal to voltage divided on resistance, then we can see the load is linear load. If it doesn't follow Ohm's law, then it's nonlinear load. Let's move on to AC circuit. We have to firstly talk about another concept you might learn in Elect 2104, which is impedance. We have resistor, capacitor, and inductor. The resistor is same as DC circuit. We use capacitor and inductor as energy storage. However, in AC circuit, we look this as an impedance. How to calculate the impedance? For resistor is R, and for capacitor is 1 over J omega C. For inductor is is J omega L. And all these three equals to V over I. This is the Ohm's law on phase domain. So this is I equals to V divided on Z. If we put this on time scale, we can see something like this. We got a sinusoid voltage source like this, and the current on resistor looks like this. The current on capacitor looks like this. And the current on inductor looks like this. The current only shifts left or right on those linear loads, but if the current changes shape, if we have the same AC source and the current on the load changes shape, looks like this, or even looks like this. We say the load is nonlinear load. We call this harmonic distortion. And the common nonlinear load is diode and switch. In this video, we talk about the load classification. We got linear load and nonlinear load. The criterion between linear load and nonlinear load is Ohm's law. No matter you are in a DC source or AC source, if the voltage and current obey Ohm's law, then we call it linear load. If it doesn't obey Ohm's law, then we call it nonlinear load. This is all about today's video. Thank you for watching this video. We'll see you next video.